Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can mute and unmute someone's status updates in WhatsApp. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step is you need to open Play Store and download the WhatsApp application. Once you download, you simply need to open WhatsApp and log in your account with your number, and then you need to click on status. So here you can see that my friend posted a status and I want to mute that. You simply need to hold that conversation, and here you can see that new status updates from your friend won't appear under recent updates anymore. Then you need to click on mute. So now you can see that my friend status is moved into the muted updates, and if you want to unmute, you simply need to click on muted updates, and then you need to hold that status, and here you can see the option of unmute. Click on that option. So now you can see that you are able to see the status in recent tabs, recent updates. So this is the process by which you can mute and unmute someone status updates in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.